What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'll be showing you how you can use rice water to grow your hair. Let's just dive into it, guys. Let's get this party started, yo. Oops, I got shampoo in my eyes. Now it's time for us to do the rice water. I use 1 cup of rice and 2 cups of water. You can use water from the cooked rice, or you can ferment your water for a few hours or over 24 hours or a day or so. But I did mine for almost 24 hours though. So this is what it looks like. I'm putting my cup of water inside my rice, then I'm going to cover it in an airtight container just like so, and leave it for like 24 hours or over a day. So right now the rice has been fermented, and I'm about to pour the water or the rice water inside my spray bottle just like so. So this is what the rice water looks like. So I didn't pour my rice away. I actually boiled my rice and I ate it with stew. I don't like to waste stuff.